Hi, in today's video we are going to learn one of the most important Microsoft Excel function. That's going to be PMT function. The PMT function illustrates the periodic payment required for the payoff for a particular period of time with a consistent interest rate. So simply speaking, the PMT function is used to calculate the payment or the borrowing payments. Imagine you go to the bank and you need to borrow 10,000 over 4 years. So how much you are going to pay monthly and yearly, and what's the interest rate amount you are going to pay. The PMT function tell us or illustrate the amount that we are going to pay monthly or yearly and the interest rate. Let's assume we are going to take loan of 15,000 and we are going to pay the interest rate of 4%, and the monthly interest rate here we need to calculate the monthly interest rate. The monthly interest rate is equal this divided by 12 months. So the monthly interest rate is 0.33%. The years, let's assume we are going to borrow this amount over 5 years. The total months, here we need to calculate the total months. The total months is equal this 5 years times to 12 months gives us 60 months. And on the other hand, the yearly payment, how much we are going to pay each year. The yearly payment is calculated as equal to PMT rate is the annual rate is 4%. Then we should include the number of the periods is 5 periods, 5 payments, and we do have the present value at the $15,000. We don't have the future value and the type would be 0. Then we need to close the parentheses and hit enter. So this amount is in minus sign because it is credit and we're gonna pay. If you need in positive sign, just sign minus, double minus gives us positive. So monthly payment also equal PMT. The rate, we are going to select the monthly interest rate. Then we have the total months. This is going to be the period, the payment period, and the present value would be this amount. Close the parentheses, hit enter. Again gives us in a minus. Let's make it in positive sign. So every month we are going to pay $276.25. So the total interest cost, if we need to calculate the total interest cost, before that we need to calculate the total payment. The total payment is equal the yearly payment times 5 years. This is the total payment. So the total interest cost would be equal to this amount minus the loan that we borrowed. So here we have the details right now. Each year we are going to pay $3,369.41 the annual payment. That's all about the PMT function. Please share and like the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.